VXers, John Haas here at Warrior Fitness Gym down in Hainsport, New Jersey. And I've got a February workout of the month for you. By request, this is a bodyweight only workout, so all you need is your own body, a floor, and possibly a chair or a bench, something that you can do dips on, okay? So without further ado, here we go. You're going to start with what I call frog push-ups. Frog push-ups, you're going, I'll show you from the side, it's probably easier to see. Your hands are turned in at a 45-degree angle. Your knees are turned out at a 45-degree angle. You want your back to be relatively flat and down, up, okay? That's a frog push-up, all right? From the frog push-up, you're going to stay in the same position, but this time you're going to turn and twist and twist. If that's easy, then extend the leg, and we'll do what's called a sit-through. Okay, so sit-through. Okay, so frog push-ups, 10, sit-throughs, 10, 5 on each side, into just a normal push-up. Okay, back straight. Okay, normal push-ups, 10, and then get like a low bench, a chair, a bed, a desk, something that you can put your hands on, some stairs, and do dips, 10 of those, okay? So that's the first half, that's the upper body part. You're going to do that circuit for 3 to 5 rounds, okay? And then the lower body part, you're going to do, from standing, you're going to do alternating lunges, okay? 10 of those, followed by lunge jumps, 10 of those, followed by interlace your fingers, hands behind the head, prisoner squats. Okay, squat down, and then from here, squat jumps. So down, okay? So each one of those, 10 reps, 10 reps per exercise. And do that circuit for 3 to 5 rounds, okay? Any questions? Please let me know, jhaas@vxpro.biz, or hit me up on Facebook, shoot me a message, okay? Let me know how this works for you. All right, guys, thanks.